Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add an alias in Gmail. This is especially useful if you want to send emails from a different address while still managing everything from one Gmail account. It's a great way to separate personal, professional, or business communication without creating multiple inboxes. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before making any changes. Once logged in, you'll be on the main Gmail dashboard. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open Settings. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings page. At the top, you'll see several tabs. Click on Accounts and Import. This section contains all the options related to sending mail and managing linked email addresses. Scroll down until you find the Send Mail As section. This is where you can control which email addresses you can use when sending messages. To add a new alias, click Add Another Email Address. A small window will pop up asking for your name and the email address you want to use as an alias. Enter the details carefully so your emails appear professional and legitimate to recipients. Make sure the option Treat as an Alias is checked, then click Next Step. Gmail will now guide you through the setup process with simple on-screen instructions. As part of this process, Gmail will send a verification email to the alias address you just added. Open that verification email and click the confirmation link inside. This step is essential because it confirms that you own and have access to the email address. Once the verification is complete, the alias will be fully connected to your Gmail account. From now on, you'll be able to choose this alias when composing emails, right alongside your main email address. And that's it. You've successfully added an alias in Gmail, making it easier to manage multiple identities from one inbox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.